Hello guys, so it's been almost a week I've not uploaded any video. Like it's due to a little tight schedule I had, but we are back. So if you are new to the channel, like, share, and subscribe. So today we're going to talk about why trading multiple pairs has like a lot of advantages. So in a previous video, I talked about the advantages and disadvantages of trading single pair and multiple pair. So why do trading multiple pairs is good, in my opinion? I'm not saying it's the best option anyway. So this is how I technically trade every single week. What I do is at the beginning of the week, go to the daily time frame, right? Start from the top and literally scroll through the charts, like go one. So gold is trending up. USD card broke this level, pushing down. AUD USD pushing up. NZD USD, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, Euro JPY, GBP JPY, GBP AUD, Euro GBP, GBP NZD, Euro AUD, Euro NZD, AUD card, GBP CHF, Euro CHF, AUD CHF, NZD CHF, NZD card, and NZD JPY, and all the other pairs continue. So instead of getting stuck with one pair, right? The advantages of trading one pair, as I highlighted in the previous video, you get to be able to understand the pair you are trading and be able to master and get good setups on it, right? But most of the time, you might be forced to take trades when there are no setups, and you have to like be combing and looking for setups, looking for like scalps. Like you want to be riding almost every single move, unless at a certain level as a trader, when you have good capital, all you need is 1 2 trades. If you catch 2 trades in a week with a big lot size, you catch 50 pips, 100 pips, it's good for you to survive, to make good amount of money, to cater for all your kind of expenses, right? But if you have a very small account, and most people have small accounts, except people that are trading funded accounts and people with money. Most people are trading very small account. If you're trading just one pair, most of the time you'll be over leveraging for you to make good money. But the advantage of trading multiple pairs is that you have the luxury to be able to comb through multiple pairs every week, to be able to select the best setups without forcing yourself to be stuck with one instrument and trying to catch every single pip movement to be able to make money. So what I do every week is to, that is at the beginning of the week, and that is daily too. So for instance, this is a USD ZAR. USD ZAR. I come to this chart, I'm like, okay, USD ZAR broke this level, retested, and it's currently, it has a very big down pushes, right? So maybe I'll be looking to sell when I get some good setups. I add USD to my setup, right? My trading pairs for the week. I go to USD MXN. I look at, okay, this pair has broken retest, a second retest. So maybe the following week, I'll be looking to sell. I add USD MXN to my watch list as well. I go to USD JPY. I'm like, okay, this thing has dropped a lot. I'm not sure if it will reverse or continue dropping, so I'm not trading it. I take it off my watch list. CHF JPY is kind of moving sideways, so I'm not interested. NZD JPY recently broke a structure, right? So I could literally go through the charts and then select the pairs I'm trading. So let's see, at the end of everything I've gone through, these are the setups I decide to trade for the week. USD MXN, USD ZAR, USD JPY. Then I would focus on these pairs and then get good setups on these pairs to trade without necessarily forcing myself to look for setups on trades that might not have good setup. So this is how you'll be able to select good setups for multiple pairs you are trading. Not necessarily trading all the pairs, but every given week, every given day, you can just come through the charts based on the strategy you are using. You can select the best setups and then trade them. Whereas compared to someone that is just trading one pair, that person is stuck with that pair. And if there is no setup, there is no trade. So it can be an advantage and a disadvantage. And I've already explained that. So if this video makes sense to you, and so this was a request from one subscriber after the last video, and I decided to share this. If you have any comment, comment under the video, and you have any request, drop your comment under the video, and who knows, I might take you up on your request. So see you in the next video.